Mastering English phrases, never let you down. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, never let you down. Understanding this phrase is crucial as it's widely used in everyday conversations, songs, and even movies. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of never let you down. Never let you down is a phrase that promises reliability and support. When someone says they will never let you down, they are assuring you that they will always be there for you, providing support and not disappointing you in any way. This phrase is often used in a context where trust, reliability, and emotional support are being emphasized. Let's break down the components of this phrase. Never implies that the action will not happen at any time in the future, indicating a strong promise or commitment. Let, in this context, means to allow or cause something to happen. You down refers to the act of disappointing someone or failing to meet someone's expectations. Combining these, the phrase means that the person is promising not to disappoint you or fail to meet your expectations at any time. To help you understand how to use never let you down in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. 1. In a friendship, you can always count on me. I'll never let you down. 2. In professional settings, our team is committed to excellence. We'll never let you down. 3. In personal relationships, I promise to be there for you in every step of the way. I'll never let you down. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in expressing unwavering support and reliability across different contexts. Understanding and using phrases like never let you down can significantly enhance your English communication skills, making your conversations more meaningful and expressive. We hope this video has helped shed light on this popular phrase, and we encourage you to start using it in your daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're here to support your English learning journey and we'll never let you down.